The drain valve is threaded into the bottom of your compressor's tank. It allows you to drain the water condensation that forms inside the tank. Over time, the drain valve can begin to leak or be sealed shut due to corrosion. When this happens, the valve will need to be replaced. Replacing the drain valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any work on your air compressor, make sure that you've drained the air out of the tanks. The tank drain threads into the bottom of the tank. I'll use a small adjustable wrench to remove it. Now I can install the new drain valve. First, I'll wrap a little thread tape around the threads. Now I'll thread the valve into the tank and tighten it up with a wrench. And now you can replace the drain valve on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.